Hi guys! In this video, I'll show you how to use this Real Techniques Travel Fantasy Mini Brush Kit. And I got this on Shopee and also available in Lazada. The price in Shopee and Lazada is 999 pesos on Real Techniques shop. So you are sure that this one is legit. So let's open it together. I'm really a fan of mini brush or travel brushes. I have a collection of it. And Real Techniques known to create mini brushes or travel brushes, especially in holidays. So luckily in here, I don't know when they put this out, but when I've seen it first on Amazon, then I also see it on Shopee and Lazada. So I was like, yeah, I need to get it. So it is a 246-810 brushes with this travel size pouch. Here are the brushes. So let's try it together for the first time and let's see if it's a good brushes. I zoom you in, and on my face right now I already have a brows and a foundation because they don't have a foundation brush, but brush I did use is also from Real Techniques, and it is also a mini one, which is from Natural Glow set, I believe. And this is how it looks like, and it's kind of purple silver color, the handle. This is a mini expert face brush. The way it performs, it's nice, but there's a streakiness. I'm not a fan of it. As I've told you that I'm a fan of Real Techniques mini brushes, so I already have duplicates on what is included in here. So I'll use my existing brushes that I have, which is similar on this kit. First is we will do concealer, so we will use the 210 Mini Expert Concealer. I'll be using this Sem Tip Concealer in shade 2.0. So I'll be trying this now. Also on my lids. Surprisingly, it is a good one because I'm not really a fan of using a brush for my concealer. I'm a sponge girl. So it's nice it didn't leave that streakiness. That's why I'm not a fan of brushes, because my experience is that it always leaves streakiness to the liquid products that I'm using. For me, this is an 8, and I really like the performance of this, but it is an 8 because I'm not a brush fan for applying the concealer. Look at the screen! Oh my gosh, why I look like zombie? Wait. I did... Guys, trust me, in real life, the concealer are good. It's just that the registration from the camera, also because of the light and exposure on the camera, but I turn it down and still the registration are light. But trust me, in real life, it's not. So yeah, we'll do powder now so we can put back the color. Guys, it is starting to rain. Why I'm so unlucky this day. But yeah, we will use the RT206 mini contour brush. I'll use this to set my face with the powder. This powder. And because it has that tapered floppy type of a brush. So small, so it's really nice to buff it. It's nice, but I feel like this one is really for contour because it is small, and I feel like it needs to be more tapered if I really wanted to use it as a setting powder brush. And just to bring back that skin tone color, I'll be using a powder, face powder, and we will use a 407 mini multitasking brush. I won't use this specific brush because I have it in same brush. And tada! I have 3 of it. This is first mini brush from Real Techniques, my second from the other set, and then for this fantasy kit set. So I'll be using this because again guys, it's hard to wash brushes, so I won't use this. I noticed this one became more fluffier than this brush. It maybe because I've already used this for several times, so it just like, that's what I noticed. But they are the same. They are same mini multitask brush. So I'm using this powder and then just buff that powder to my face. We're all good. I love this brush. This is a 10 out of 10. Very good for traveling. This is my brush when I was having a face-to-face 2019 first year. So yeah, I love this. I suggest you guys have this one. Next thing that we will do is bronzer, not contour. I think I don't have any contour products right now, but we have this 406 mini medium sculpting brush. Again, I have it on the same brush and this color pink, the original one. But I won't use this because we have the contour brush and I think I preferred it more because this one is much more denser where it is perfect for cream products. So I'll be using the other contour brush. For bronzing, I'll be using this the Balm Alternate Rock palette. None of your business. I'll be using again this RT206 mini contour brush. Look at that, it's perfect for contouring. And then you can swirl it like that. I think let's try this mini medium sculpting brush, the 406 on my nose. But the thing is, this is a dense brush and I like fluffy brushes. But yeah, it did the work for the nose bronzing or contour. Yeah, it's good. I remember before when I get the product like the powder and then once you apply it, it won't blend that much because it is a dense powder. So I preferred fluffy brushes for powders. Now guys, let's proceed for the eyes. I have this Essence Nude palette. I just got it at the same time with the brushes. First, we will use this RT308 mini medium shadow brush. I believe this brush is good for just putting a base eyeshadow. I'll use this shade. Look how it just got into my crease. Wow, so like it's just only one swipe. For me, this is a 10 out of 10 because it's just easily to use a base eyeshadow. Just one wipe like that. So easy. Next brush is this RT301 mini base shadow brush. It's like a tapered. So I'll be using this to blend to my crease. This is really good one to really get into the crease and then just blend it out. So this is a 10 out of 10 for me. Next is this 332 mini smudge brush. Ooh. Amazing. I'd get the 301 to blend. This brush is so nice. It's tiny, but it can go on detailed. I'm just trying to put it in here and then I accidentally go like this. So it created a wing type of eyeshadow. But mind you guys, we have this 313 mini definer brush. So imagine how can this one do. Let me try this to also do a wing eyeliner in here. I'll just repeat this side of my eye. Okay. Oh, nice. Look at that sharpness. Nice. Amazing. This is so thin. So this smudging brush and this definer brush is a 10 out of 10 for me. I love it. How it picks up the eyeshadow. It's so nice. And the way it put on my eyelids. Also nice. I like this. I like it. Next we have this mini shading brush. 307. I already have this. I'll get this shimmer champagne for the middle of my eye. This is so nice for inner corners. This eye look, I'm not so good on eyeshadow. As you can see, I already know that eyeshadow wings are not proportion. The last brush for this kit is this mini spoolie number 343 mini spoolie. Yeah, I'll just brush my not so good eyebrow. I don't know why. I feel like when there's a spoolie that are not end with the sculpting brush or eyebrow brush are not cute. Because I feel like it's a waste of money for this. You don't need to have a separate spoolie for me. Or maybe unless you're doing the soap brow. It's nice. It's really going into your brows, hair brows. I forgot to put blush. So I'll be using again this palette and the contour brush. I'll try to use this medium sculpting brush for blush too. No, it's too dense for me. So back to the contour brush. Then we will highlight also using the same brush. So guys, I just put lipstick, and yes, I'm not even a fan of this wing eyeshadow. But just to try the brushes, I did this for this video. So this pouch is included. We'll put the brushes inside, put the eyeshadow brushes, the face brushes, and now it is fit on our bags and ready for travel. We all know guys, on the sets, we will always have favorites. So my top 3 brushes are, of course, my top one is 407 and the contour brush, the 206, and the 210, this mini expert concealer. And my second placer are the eye brushes. If you are a mini brush collector too like me, you should get this for travel. This is a good one. So for this, my rate is 8 out of 10. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching and see you again on my next video. Bye!